Hi everyone. Welcome back to the Coding Corner. Today, we are diving into one of Python's most versatile data structures, lists. By the end of this tutorial, you'll confidently work with lists in Python, loop through them, make numerical lists, and much more. Let's get started. In Python, the for loop is a powerful tool for iterating through lists. It allows you to process each item in a list sequentially. Take a look at these examples. A closer look at looping. Doing more work within a for loop. Doing something after a for loop. Let's practice. Write a loop that prints each day of the week, then prints end of the week after the loop. Indentation is crucial in Python. Let's look at some common errors and how to avoid them. Correct example. Forgetting the colon. Unnecessary indentation. Let's practice. Identify and fix the errors in the provided code snippet. Numerical lists are easy to create and manipulate in Python using the range, function, and list comprehensions. Take a look at the following examples. Using the range function. Generating a list of numbers and performing statistics. List comprehensions. Let's practice. Create a list of all even numbers between 1 and 20 using a list comprehension. Sometimes you only need part of a list. Python makes slicing intuitive and versatile. Take a look at the following examples. Slicing lists. Looping through slices. Copying a list. Let's practice. Slice the last 3 items of a list and print them. Tuples are immutable sequences, meaning their contents cannot be changed. They are great for fixed collections of data. Let's take a look at the following examples. Defining a tuple. Looping through all values in a tuple. Overriding a tuple. Let's practice. Define a tuple of 3 favorite colors and loop through them. Good code style isn't just about aesthetics, it ensures your code is readable and maintainable. Follow Python's PEP8 style guide for best practices. Let's take a look at these. Use consistent indentation, 4 spaces per level. Leave blank lines for readability. Let's practice. Rewrite a poorly styled Python snippet to follow PEP8 guidelines. That's it for today's tutorial on working with lists. Practice these examples and soon you'll be handling data like a Python pro. If you found this helpful, please like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more Python tips and tricks. Leave a comment with your favorite Python list trick below. See you in the next video.